Today I am going to show you where received photos and videos appear in Google Photos on your PC and how you can save or download them easily. First, I opened Google Chrome on my computer using the Google account where I received the photos or videos. After that, in the top right corner, I clicked on the Google Apps icon. From the drop-down menu, I selected Google Photos and the Google Photos interface opened. On the left side panel, I noticed a red dot next to the update section, which means someone has shared photos or videos with me. I clicked on updates, and here I could see all the photos and videos that other people have sent to me. From the received files, I clicked on one image to open it in full view. Then in the top right corner, I clicked on the three dots menu. From this menu, I can download the photo or video directly to my computer by clicking on download. Also on the top left side, there is a save option. By clicking on save, the photo or video will be added permanently to my Google Photos library. This is how you can find received photos and videos in Google Photos on your PC and save or download them whenever you want.